Alright, it's Sunday here at the Heavy Chevy Ranch. And it's starting to get chilly out. It's like 58 inside the garage here. I've done broke out my Carhartt there. I'm not wearing it at the moment, but I'll probably have to put it on in a minute here. And I think what we're going to try to do today is, we don't have a whole lot of time. This evening at church, there's a church dinner. And what do we try to do whenever there's a church dinner at church?
Eat all the food?
We try to go eat the food at the church dinner. I'm going to tell you something. It's the best food ever, okay? That's not the reason to go to church, but it's a nice side benefit. Alright, what we're going to do today is put the push rods in and adjust the valves and maybe put the fuel pump in it and whatever else we have time for. The old man's been wiring stuff up. I see he's got a headlight bulb there. He's apt to have a couple questions about that, but we'll see what happens. Alright, I ordered up some new Comp Cams push rods, and they're in that nifty blue bag right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lube on them and install them, and then see about adjusting these here valves. And I can tell by the expectant look on this guy's face, he's got a question. What is it?
Well, I don't really have a question, but...
Do you have a statement?
Yes.
What is it?
I made a shocking discovery that inside the truck there's a bunch of 22 bullets.
Huh.
That I ever so kindly gathered.
Well, I see. That's a bonus then, I guess. Alright, good. Alright, I'm almost there adjusting the valves. I'm using the method set out in this old Chilton's manual, and that is to set it number one top dead center, and then you can adjust intake 1, 2, and 4, exhaust 1, 3, and 5, and then you turn it to the number 6 firing position, and then you adjust intake numbers 3, 5, and 6, and exhaust 2, 4, and 6. I'm that far. Intake 3, 5, and 6. I have yet to adjust exhaust 2, 4, and 6. And then I'll be done. Once again, got a little distracted. Buddy came over and he left his offspring to play with mine, so that means I'm by myself. But that's okay. I got the valves adjusted. The valve cover set on there. As you can see, I haven't painted a thing. And I'm okay with that. Now I'm going to bolt it down. Well, let's see what I do here. I took the cover off the oil pump. It's got a melling, I think. It said M82, I think, if I remember right, on the little tag. You know what? I could look on the little tag. Maybe it's 62. I think it's 62. You know, we're not looking too bad, but the pickup here is kind of nasty. I think I'm going to order a new one. A new pickup and a new oil pump. Cheap insurance. Oil pump ain't bad, I don't believe, but unless I figure out they're 150 bucks. A Chevy one's like $29 or less. So it's Monday evening, it's raining. I got home from work a little bit early because of the rain. And I'm just out here in the garage by myself. Got a little bit of a sore throat, but I guess I can deal with it. Putting this quadrajet together for my turbo motor. Done all my little modifications I always do. And I heard an ad I agree with. It said, the world doesn't need more pizza, it needs better pizza. I agree with that ad. It's the first one I've heard in a while I agree with. And another thing. I was having a debate with my buddy, well, it's probably been a pretty good while ago now. I said that this means no chickens. But he says it meant something else. I forgot what. Anyway, settle the debate. I think maybe think maybe if I get home early tomorrow, I'll finish up the oil pan, weld that little plate on there, clean all that stuff real good, put it together. Holy mackerel, there's Mrs. Heavy Chevy.
Cleaning. I'm dirty.
It's okay.
I was coming to see if you had a nut that'll fit this.
If I have a what?
A nut.
I got plenty of nuts. As a matter of fact, I are one. Leave it to this girl to come up here asking me for a simple request and it be a left-hand thread. I don't have any left-hand thread nuts, sorry. Alright, before she distracted me, I was saying something. I don't really remember what it was, but I'm sure it was good. I'm going to tomorrow night try to get this oil pan done. I need to order up an oil pump and a oil screen if that's what I'm going to do. And there's some other stuff I need to do, and I need to be doing it if I got time. You know how it is.
Mrs. Heavy Chevy here.
Was wanting a paintbrush, so a nice one. So I had this one here. It's old. I got it somewhere, but look there. It says pure China bristle. I guess that's before everything came from China anyhow, and it was an unusual thing. So I don't know if that's good or not. Osborne walnut line, made in USA, with Chinese bristles.
So it's a
What do you make of that?
made in USA handle. But we were too cheap to make the bristles, so we sent them to China.
No, that was a big thing. Chinese bristles. It made a high quality brush.
Oh.
See, now everything's made in China anyhow, and it ain't very good.
Oh.
How come you sound so funny?
Because I have a viral thing that my daughter brought home from school. So you're making Mrs. Heavy Chevy here.
Mrs. Heavy Chevy here.
Oh yeah. You may be asking yourself, what's he doing? I'm MacGyvering up some battery terminal ends is what I'm doing.